Hi, so today I'm going to make Indonesian crab dish called kepiting saus tiram, which is also maybe called uh, crab with oyster sauce. So this is the crab. They're still fresh, they're still alive. I just put them in ice so they sleep. And then these are all the ingredients that you will need. Onions, I have ketchup, oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, and sesame oil. And then this is a type Indonesian margarine. And then I have ginger. And then I also have, this is kaffir lime leaves. And then bell pepper, salt, pepper, and sugar. And also green onions.
I love you, Mama.
I love you too, baby.
I want to kiss you. No, I want to kiss your cheek.
Thank you. Can I kiss you, bro? Sayang.
I do something with you.
You do sayang me.
No.
I do sayang you too. I do sayang you too.
What happened?
I don't know. I don't think you're gonna like that part, so I'm just gonna clean it. I'm gonna clean it and we're gonna wash it again.
No, it's gonna come out.
What?
I want to show you.
No, hang on. We're gonna clean it first. Okay, I use a new brush, okay? The water is too big. You just then while you're cleaning this, get the water in the pan in the pot ready. So after you clean this, then you can boil straight away. Put in the hot water. Then this one is like the lungs, not nice. So just brush it off. Now, I like to use scissors to clean it like this. And then also cut the.
Mommy, we cut it for you.
And then. You know, just clean it until it's like clean.
What happened to the crab?
We're cleaning it so you can eat it.
Can I?
What? Can you what?
I want to wash it.
No need lah.
Please.
Just remember the claw too. Baby. So now we're gonna put the clean crab to boiling water.
Boom. You have bubbles everywhere. You have bubbles everywhere.
Abigail, stop.
Woohoo.
Excuse me, please.
Yummy.
For maybe like very fast lah, 4 minutes. Or maybe even less. It's because this one is fresh.
Fresh air. Fresh.
Fresh crab.
That's good. What happened?
We're boiling it. Don't touch, please.
Can I cook it? Can I cook it?
You wanna cook it later. And then give a pinch of
Can I
salt.
try?
No.
I want to try.
Okay.
Can I cook
I'm
it?
gonna take the crab out. Sayang, be careful, okay? It's hot, okay? Sayang. It's hot, be careful, okay? Now we have the ginger. Just cut it. I don't peel it, I just wash it already. And just slice it. Be careful, please, Soybean. See? See? 小心 please. Now we're gonna cut the onion. The bell pepper. Use different color, it can just brighten up the dish lah. Okay. And then now it's the green onions. You see Abigail? Hi.
I want to try.
Try what?
I want to try cooking.
Hang on.
It's like going.
See lah, cooking with a toddler like this.
Can I try?
Okay. Try. Hang on. Okay. Then so we're all done with the cutting of the ingredients and preparing the ingredients. Now we're gonna take out the crab from the boiling water. Cut this one too. So now I have the garlic, and no, ginger, and the onions. Saute them until fragrant, until you can smell it. Caramelize it. While I'm cooking, you know what Ivy is busy doing? Sayang the crab, and she's also cutting some stuff. Don't worry lah, she's using this pizza cutter. Don't touch it.
I'm touching it when I'm trying it.
And then put in the bell pepper. Put in the garlic. Smells so good. Smells so good. Yay! Yes. Smells so good. So again, the heat have to be high. Wow, good job, Abigail. Then don't forget to put in the coffee line. Then I put the blue band in. See? I don't know, I like it lah. Smells good. So like about 2 spoons. Smells so good. favorite dish? Is it? Is it?
I'm going
Crab?
to get for you. It's fast forward. Ready, go. Make it hot. My cooking. I cooked the crab. I want to
Excuse me, please. It's hot.
I want to cook it. I want to cook it.
Hang on, hang on. Hang on, Abby.
I
Yes.
want to cook it.
So it looks like this. Then after that, just let it simmer so the crab can absorb all the sauce.